Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Account Details Sidebar. The Account Details Sidebar offers an expanded view with shortcut buttons, providing comprehensive information and features related to the debtor and patient. This sidebar allows easy access to various functions and screens, enhancing your efficiency and experience. In this video, we will start on the account details screen of the desired debtor. We will now take a look at the various sections and buttons located on the Account Details Sidebar. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Debtor details encompass all personal information of debtors and patients, including their name, surname, medical information, and more. Patient section will display the file number, full name, and date of birth of all the patients or dependents linked to the debtor's file. The Outstanding section will provide a comprehensive overview of all amounts owed by the debtor to the practice, detailing each outstanding balance and payment due. Click on the New Invoice button if you would like to generate a new invoice for the debtor's account. The New Receipt button will allow you to issue a receipt for payments made toward the debtor's account. The new Patient Refund feature enables you to capture any refunds that have been occurred for the debtor, for example in cases of overpayment. The Reallocate Receipt button enables users to reassign a receipt that was mistakenly linked to the wrong invoice or invoice line, ensuring it is allocated to the correct one. The New Clinical Case button allows users to create new clinical events for the desired patients under the debtor's account. Click on the Statement button to generate a document summarizing the amount information of the debtor or patient. Alternatively, click on the Statement drop-down menu for more options. The Email Statement feature allows users to send a statement electronically to the debtor or patient. Clicking on the Audit Statement button generates a comprehensive financial statement detailing all activities on the patient's account. The Email Audit Statement feature enables users to send an audit statement electronically to the debtor or patient. Lastly, clicking on the Advanced Statement button generates a more detailed and focused summary of the debtor's account. Payment request serves as reminders to patients and debtors about outstanding payments for services provided to the practice. GoodX employs payment links via SMS or email to facilitate a simple, instant and secure process for settling outstanding amounts. Click on the Send Payment Request button to dispatch a payment link to the debtor. Promise to Pay signifies an agreement between the practice and the debtor to clear any outstanding amounts by a designated date, with the payment conditions determined by the practice. Click on the Promise to Pay button if the debtor has arranged a payment agreement with the practice to be settled by a specified date. Click on the SMS button to send a text message communication to the debtor or patient. Click on the Dial button to initiate a VoIP call with the patient directly from the GoodX web interface. Finally, click on the Email button to send an electronic mail to the debtor or patient.